In this video, I want to show you how to download and install Meteorological Drought Monitoring software. This software is very good in calculating drought indices. So I want to show you how to download and install it. This is the link to the download, or you can just go to the official website of AgriMetSoft and download it. So let me copy this link and open my browser. Then here, just paste the link and press enter. So this will take us to the official site of agricultural and meteorological software. So this software is very good in calculating drought indices. So to download, just click on this download or this. So when you click on it, it will open the official page where you will download it. So it will bring you to this very page, and you can download. There are two options here. You can download the setup without the db.exe, or you can download with .exe. So I want to download with .exe. So just click on download. Once you click on download, your download will start automatically. So in this case, I've downloaded it. This is it, mdm.exe. I've downloaded it just recently. So just click on download link. The download will start. Then after downloading, let me show you how to install it. This is the setup. To install it, right click and run as administrator. Click on yes. Click on next. Accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. Here, enter your username and organization. So let me just leave it as GOJ, for instance, as my username, and organization. I want to put GGS, for instance, and click on next. Then click install. So the installation has started and it will take several minutes. Yes, the installation is done. So click on finish. Then let's close this page. Let me refresh. Then come to start icon and you can see launch MDM. This is the software we just installed. Click to launch it. So it will bring this option that please free register in help menu. So click on OK. Yes, this is it. Let me expand it. Yes, this is the interface of the software. So if you come to file, you can see you can import data file, then come to station, you can see select existing station. Then if you want to calculate, because I've not imported any data, that's why all these things are not active. You can calculate SPI, PN, DI, EDI. All these are drought indices that you can calculate. Then to register, come to help, and you can register online, or you can request for the key which will be sent to our email and register through it here. So in the next video, I will show you how to use this software to calculate drought indices. Thank you for watching.